Matapos manumpa kahapon, formal nang humalili sa pwesto ang bagong General Manager ng inyong telebisyon ng bayan na si GM Antonio Baltazar Nebrida. Sa kanyang talumpati, nangako siyang pakikinggan ang hinaing ng mga manggagawa ng State Network. Si Alan Francisco sa sentro ng balita.
And I'm glad to be back home.
Mensahe yan ng bagong General Manager ng People's Television Network Incorporated o PTV4 sa kanyang unang araw sa pwesto bilang leader ng istasyon. Naging reporter noon ng PTV si General Manager Antonio Baltazar Toby Nebrida Jr. bago lumipat sa pribadong sektor at naging tagapagsalita rin ng Department of Migrant Workers. Sa kanyang pagbabalik sa PTV, magiliw siyang tinanggap ng mga empleyado. Sa kanyang mensahe, una niyang binigyang diin ng business as usual bilang mga public servants.
Let's continue what it is we are doing. We are all public servants. We all serve the people. Maliwanag naman sa pangalan natin, di ba? People's Television Network. We are asked to serve. We are asked to educate. We are asked to inform. We are asked to motivate. And we are asked to inspire. And that's what we should be doing. No? And that's what I hope to do for all of you as well. Let's continue on. Marami sa inyong, I see a lot of familiar faces from a bit less here. Maraming puti na rin ang buhok. Ako, naalala ko, umalis ako dito, maitim-itim pa ito. Medyo bumalik ako, salt and pepper na. Nonetheless, diba? Let's all work together.
Tiniyak din ni GM Nebrida na nararamdaman at handa siyang makinig sa mga manggagawa ng State Network.
Nararamdaman ko, naririnig ko, at makikinig ako. I hear you, and I will listen. And hopefully in the next few days, I will be able to meet with each and every one of our senior leaders, yung mga hepe ng ating mga operating units, to give me a broad brushstroke of what it is you're doing so that we can situate ourselves where we are and we can move forward together. Okay? Huwag mag-alala. Very short message. All will be well.
Hinimok niya rin ng mga empleyado na manatili ang pagsisikap sa trabaho.
You know how hard I work. I work at that time anything from 12 to 16 hours a day. At kung kailangan, walang uwian. I'm not going to ask you to do anything I am not willing to do or have done myself. So, message number 3, work hard. Okay? Tatlo lang. Business as usual, we proceed as we do every day. All will be well. And let's work hard.
Kasama ni GM Nebrida ang ilang opisyal ng Presidential Communications Office, PTV Board of Directors at iba pa sa kanyang unang araw. Kahapon, opisyal siyang nanumpa kay PCO Secretary Cheloy Garafil. Dito ay binigyang diin niya rin ang pagsusulong ng reorganization at regularization sa PTV. Kasama na rin ang pagpapaigting sa programming at technical capabilities ng istasyon. Alan Francisco para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.